Hi guys, went down to Clevedon today so we could put that boat on the water on the marine lake, check that it actually floats, which it does. There's a few problems with it, but it did actually work. But there's also about 7 charity shops down there, so I had a good look round. There's a few things I wanted to buy or caught my eye and I really had to say no. This I was going to say no to because it's £4.99, but these U-Gears kits are pretty expensive. Twice I've looked at kits in charity shops before and said no, and then changed my mind another day and they've been gone when I went back another day. So I thought I'd buy it this time. The others were more expensive than this, I will say. They were more like 20 quid. And that's in a charity shop, so they're quite a bit more expensive brand new. Main thing about this one is, as it says there, pneumatic engine or air engine. I've tried 3D printing something similar with limited success. So when I saw this, that was a double reason for buying it. One, I like wooden kits, and two, I like air engines or pneumatic engines. Don't know when I'll get round to actually doing it. There's the details. Scale 1/187th. Oh yeah. I know I saw Larry B's put something together similar. I don't think it was actually that one. That one's a timer, 20-minute timer. I think his was actually a clock. But obviously there's a whole range of these and they're not cheap. So yeah, I bought that. I'll now show you all the other things I looked at down there that caught my eye. There was a train set. Really tempted, only 3 quid. You'll see that. It would have been a joke to buy it, a laugh. And there was rather a fun slot car set with vertical loops in it. That was only 3 quid as well. But that was just too big. There was no way I was going to bring all that home. Anyway, I'll let you watch that video now. Well, there's a train set. I don't think I'll buy that one though. That looks ideal for some kid to come and play with. Can't see a price on it either. I'll go inside and have a look.
Thank you. We is doing good.
Yeah, £3. That's a bargain. Oh gosh, £5 for the whole box full. That's somebody's old collection, isn't it? Well, this shop's nearly always closed when I come down to Clevedon. But it's Wednesday today, there's a market out there, so I guess they've opened because it's market day. They like to think of themselves as antiques and collectibles. Yeah, maybe they are. To be fair, the best RC car I picked up was from here. That was the McLaren Mercedes. Oh, that's a fast lane slot kit down there. I like that. I think that'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.